Esperanto is the most famous constructed language that was created by Polish Jewish ophthalmologist Ludwik Ilger Zamenhof in 1887. Zamenhof was born on the 15th of December 1859 in Bialystok, Imperial Russia. His father was a teacher of foreign languages, and Zamenhof himself had an extraordinary talent for languages. In school he could already speak Polish, German, French, English, Latin, and ancient Greek, besides Russian. He considered language as the main cause of prejudice and hostility between people and seriously thought about creating one international language that would unite all peoples. Soon he realized that no language existed was suitable for this purpose. Then he decided to create his own. The first attempts produced a complex language with a thick dictionary and clumsy grammar. Later, after working on errors, Zamenhof decided to use suffixes and prefixes to form new words. Thus, it became possible to eliminate most of the mismatched words and reduce the dictionary to a minimum. By graduation from school in 1878, the sketch of a new international language was ready. Though his father was a teacher of foreign languages, he didn't want his son to waste time on useless things. So, he burnt the sketches and sent his son to study medicine. Ludwik Zamenhof was studying in Warsaw, and then in Moscow, but his mind was always full of thoughts of peace and helping those in need. He became very popular as a doctor among the poor quarters of Warsaw because he often treated the poor for free. The book was published only 9 years later in 1887, and it was called Dr. Esperanto's International Language, Introduction and Complete Grammar. Later the word Esperanto, which means hopeful in Latin, became the name of the language. One way to spread the language was by mail. Ludwik boldly declared, "Write letters in an international language." He believed that a letter with the corresponding key to it, in fact, a dictionary, would give a person a complete understanding of the meaning of what is written. The basics of the Esperanto language consist of 16 basic grammatical rules and international words, often understood without translation. It does not have a huge dictionary, it helps to study the language. After 6 months, anyone can freely express their thoughts, read and write in Esperanto. By the way, you need from 3 to 5 years to learn any other language. For simplicity, Esperanto doesn't become defective, it's very euphonious, somewhat similar to Italian, and has excellent expressive capabilities, which Zamenhof took advantage of shortly after the publication of the book. He translated many masterpieces of world literature into Esperanto and wrote poems in Esperanto himself. Despite the spread of Esperanto and the ideas of uniting the world, the fraternity of peoples and sympathy, the First World War began on the 1st of August 1914. The news of the death of his younger brother at the front in 1916 was heartbreaking for Ludwik, and on the 14th of April 1917, Ludwik Ilger Zamenhof died himself in Warsaw that was occupied by German troops. Now the Esperanto movement has more than 2 million Esperantists. Every year, about 200 books and 300 periodicals are published in Esperanto around the world. Esperanto still carries Zamenhof's ideas of peace and love for one's neighbor. That was a story about the Esperanto language, and its creator Ludwik Zamenhof. You are on the Short History channel. Subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss our new short stories. Click the bell, like, leave comments, stay with us.